and welcome to my channel, Judy Cooking 360. So today we're making chicken and pasta in tomato sauce. I have my water boiling. I already put a tablespoon of salt in here. So I'm just adding my pasta so that it can cook in the meantime while I am making up my chicken. This is almost a whole pack, well, 3/4 of a pack. Okay, there we go. So our next step is oil. Turn this down a little. 2 tablespoons of oil. By the time I'm done with my chicken and tomato sauce, my pasta should be ready. All right, so let's get this on high. This is a whole onion and 4 cloves of garlic. Yeah, I put the garlic in at the same time because I'm just gonna let the onion become translucent. I'm not gonna burn it. Now this is a pre-cooked chicken breast. That's the good thing about baking a chicken or buying a chicken home. You can get so many meals out of it. Yeah, so this is 1 chicken breast that I cut up. My onions are getting there. See that? Nice and translucent. Let's turn this halfway down. Add my chicken, and I put them in chunks so that, you know, when you serve your chicken, at least you can see the pieces. Not totally broken up. And here. So we're gonna put some seasoning in here. I have here celery salt. Now this is all the salt you need because you're going to put a whole teaspoon in here. You're going to put about a 1/2 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. Just to give it that little kick. Just a little kick. And you have here Italian seasoning. A 1/2 teaspoon. Or you can put a whole spoon. It's all about flavoring. This is oregano, a half a teaspoon of oregano, and then a half a teaspoon of black pepper. Okay, let's stir this up. And believe it or not, that's all the spices you need for your chicken. So now you're going to put a 29-ounce of crushed tomatoes. And an 8-ounce can. I usually put like a tablespoon of water in here just to get the bottom from the can. And then 1 tablespoon of sugar, just to offset the acid in the tomato sauce. Let's check on our pasta here. Good. Turn it up on high just for a second. That's thick and rich, and I'm still gonna add let's turn you back down. Don't want you splashing all over. Tablespoon of tomato paste. Just because I want it to be thick and rich. There we go. Check on our pasta here. Okay. We'll be done by the time we're done here. Let me just spread all our tomato paste in here. Let's give this a taste. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, people. This is good. Turn this off. this to our sauce. Turn that over. Oh, talk about ooey gooey, guys. Talk about ooey gooey. See, that's the beautiful thing. When you bake a chicken, you can get a couple of other dishes out of it, because this is a whole chicken breast, and this, when you make this and you put this on your table, you can go ahead and serve this whole new dish all over again. See that? Now, let's kick it up just a little bit more by adding some cheese on here. Now, this is the cheese that I use because I don't do dairy. But you can use whichever cheese you like. Now, let me tell you something. When this is melted, talk about ooey gooey, guys. Talk about ooey and gooey. This is 8 ounces, so I'm just gonna put the whole thing in here. Turn you on high. And this is all done. Make this dish, guys. Try it. And let me know if you like it. You're gonna really enjoy this dish. Really enjoy this dish. Let me do this one. Let's see me lift this one, right? Here we go. A little got away from me, but that's okay. It's all good. All good. Now, we're just gonna sprinkle some parsley over this. And there we go, guys. I hope you enjoy this dish. Beautiful and delicious chicken and pasta in tomato sauce. See you guys next time on Judy Cooking 360. Thanks for watching, as usual.